Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two grooming essentials that every man needs. It's the Philips Norelco shaving heads versus the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Both the Philips Norelco shaving heads and the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades are priced at a cool $24. It's a tie in the price department. The Philips Norelco shaving heads are made in the Netherlands, and within just 1 year, they cut a whopping 4.5 million hairs on your face. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades deliver a fast, clean shave with rounded tips to protect your skin from nicks and cuts. The Philips Norelco shaving heads are compatible with Series 3000, 2000, 1000, and Click and Style shavers, making them a perfect fit if you own any of these models. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades can be used wet or dry, with or without foam, and even in the shower, offering great convenience. The Philips Norelco shaving heads recommend replacing them once every 12 months for maximum shaving performance. They come with 3 shaving heads, providing a good amount of usage before needing a replacement. On the other hand, 2 Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades can last up to 8 months, based on 2 full shaves per week. They also offer a subscribe and save option for up to 15% savings on replacements. Based on online reviews, reviewers say that the Philips Norelco shaving heads provide a smoother shave and improved shaving performance, especially when using genuine blades. They also mention that the blades last about a year, and regular cleaning is necessary. On the other hand, reviewers praise the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades for their clean shave, lack of discomfort or cuts, and effective anti-friction coating. They also mention the versatility of using the blades on different body parts. And there you have it, folks. In this ultimate face-off between the Philips Norelco shaving heads and the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades, both products have their strengths. But in the end, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades take the crown for their innovative design, versatility, and long-lasting performance. Remember, it's important to consider your personal preferences and needs when choosing the right grooming essentials for you. We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, Buy Smart, for more epic battles like this one. Stay smart, folks, and we'll catch you in the next one.